there was a need to bring in more of an interactive mapping technology to present outage impact to our customers and to our local governments and municipalities. And if we were to stay on that old platform, those capabilities just would not have been able to be realized. Scott Infante, IT Manager, Enterprise Technology at FirstEnergy. FirstEnergy is a regional utility provider. We're based out of Akron, Ohio. One of the huge challenges that we are faced with every day is really everything in the area of customer communication. So whether it's a blue sky day, no storms, no outage events, communicating to our customers about the readiness of a bill or maybe a past due bill, all the way to the next extreme, which would be things like Hurricane Sandy, where we had a massive amount of our service territory impacted by a large outage event that spanned multiple days. Customer communication was really the paramount challenge and continues to be. We began our evaluation of Adobe in 2010. Following the evaluation, we ended up selecting Adobe Experience Manager, primarily as a content repository and also to author and maintain the content. We also use the digital asset management capabilities of AEM to manage all of the creative images, logos, and so forth that are used within the content authoring piece. We use the mobile module available with AEM to provide that very seamless presentation of that same content on the mobile devices in the form of a mobile-enabled website. And then most recently, we've got into using PhoneGap to provide the native app capability such that we can, again, reuse that existing technology investment of our current assets in AEM in order to present them in the format of a native app across multiple devices, multiple operating systems, in our case, iOS and Android. We identified a need to really partner up with a systems integrator. So we went ahead and we selected CityTech.
CityTech is a system integration company. We really focus on the engineering, the implementation side of Adobe Experience Manager. And when we first started being engaged with FirstEnergy, that just purchased the Adobe Experience Manager, we saw an opportunity with the platform to really make it a cornerstone of their enterprise architecture. As their use of AEM grew, we also helped with some performance tuning and scalability benchmarks and those things to make sure that the experience is being delivered the same to all users, no matter how many users are on the system. With FirstEnergy, I think the future is very bright from having AEM in place with a great foundation and something to build upon. I do think that we certainly set the bar on our collaboration between FirstEnergy, Adobe, and really delivering a solution that delivers content to multiple channels, offline, in all those different environmental requirements that consumers need to adapt to today.